My God, it feels so good to be back. This is the physique before the 60 days. I'm fat. This is my current body right now. I'm holding in my belly, nothing. It's the physique. See how we're looking 60 days.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. So, it's been a while. I know a lot been going on, and a lot been not going on. So, what's not been going on is money flow. Money ain't been coming in. Shit been slow. I blame myself because I haven't been making content to make people see my clear kayak business and have bookings. That's on me. I've been failing with the marketing and expecting the money to just come to me. I don't have everything set up perfectly for that yet, right? Soon the money gonna just come and I don't really have to do much, but I have to hustle. It's a small business, so I gotta make sure I keep on top of everything, and I haven't been doing that. So your boy broke pretty much, and I'm just pretty much getting by right now. Anyway, I have a routine now that I'm gonna be following. Same thing I used to do when I was up, when I was getting shit done. I haven't been lucky at all. When I used to do what I used to do, I was on top of things. I always used to be lucky. Things always used to go my way. I always used to get opportunities and stuff like that. And now I don't. And that's because I'm not working for it. I'm expecting things to come to me. I'm expecting to be saved. So now it's time to actually change. Time to get shit done because nobody gonna get that shit done for me. And it's time. I have a Discord I want y'all to join. Go ahead, link in the description. Join my Discord. Save us roundtable. Collecting a bunch of local traders, futures, forex, whatever you do. Go ahead, join to the link, and it's gonna be a vibe. Yeah, so I have some plans coming for that. I use AI to help me fix it up and organize it. It looks great. The layout is nice, pretty simple. You post your wins, you post your losses. I want to do a call at least 3 or 2 times a week, a live trading call for the mornings. Boom, everybody trade, everybody reflect. You win, you lose, you follow me, you don't follow me. It's not gonna be any financial advice at all. I'm just gonna be on there trading. If you want to follow me, if you want to learn from me, if you just want to do what I do, you go ahead and join. If you're a beginner trader, it would also be good to see what other traders are doing that's already been in the game for about a year or a couple months. So go ahead, join that. That would be lit. I want to show y'all something really cool. So since I've been gone, I've been on this nice little journey. I've been planting some stuff. I'm tired of going to the store and buying all these shitty ass products, all these shitty ass vegetables like chemicals and all them shit. So avocado, I love avocado, bro. If you ever want to be cool with me, just bring me an avocado and life gonna be great and sweet. So I have one right now growing. It's doing great. It's doing amazing. I also have some peppers growing too. They're still small, but they get in there. I think those are red bell peppers. So this is the baby right here, the beauty. We got ourselves a nice, beautiful watermelon. So been growing this one for this. This has been about a month. I had this growing because I actually had it in a pot, a small pot, and then it started growing too long since it was on my porch. So I said, let me go ahead and plant it because I saw the watermelon growing. It was tiny. It was like this small, and then it was flowering a lot. So I said, let me put it in the ground and then go from there. And now we just have this beautiful masterpiece over here. So that's good. It's flowering a lot too, and then we have a lot of bees and stuff in the area. So they're doing a good job. So now Top Step have the ability that you could just pay $89 for the account without the activation fee. I don't want to pay the activation fee because the regular account is how much? $50. So $50 plus $150, you $200 in instead of just spending $89 on the instant funded. So once you get the 3K, so you could pass it in 2 days, 1,500, then another 1,500, and you pass it, and then no activation fee. You don't have to pay 150. I'm broke, so I don't have $200 I could just spend to start trading, but I can spend $89, which is all fine, right? So I went ahead, I just bought one. The plan is, once I pass this one, the payout is going to be used to go towards 4 more accounts, 4 more 50K accounts. Not 100, I don't want the hundreds because it's pretty much the same thing as the 50. It's cheaper. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 4 more 50K accounts. Once I get those and I pass those, I'm gonna go ahead and copy trade with all of them and minimize my risk by 5 times. So all I have to do is make $500 a day and I'm chilling. 500 times 5, you do the math. I'm about to go pick up a sandwich. I have a deli that just opened literally like a block after my house. I could walk there. I'm not walking there though. But yeah, so go get a nice little sandwich, breakfast sandwich, a panini, and then come back and I'll see y'all on the chats when I'm back. Okay, we're here, we're live with the new setup. Pretty much we're just gonna be looking over the charts, seeing what's up, and go from there. As y'all can see, I have trading view open, I have trade locker open, and I have top step open. Yeah, some money. Okay, so we're in a 4 hour time frame right now, right? It's 10 o'clock. We have time. We could take our time, look over the markets, right? We're on the 4 hour. Boom, looking at the charts. Price was going down. It was in a downtrend. Now it looks like price is going up. We're in an uptrend. Price is pretty much at a resistance, but this candle actually closed above here. So this tells us we might actually be in a reversal, in an uptrend. So since it broke structure, it also broke structure here, and it broke structure here. So we might be heading towards the uptrend, even though you see price coming down. Price more than likely is just retracing, right, for then another higher upward push. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead to our hourly chart. Let's see what's going on in the hour. Pretty much what you would take from this is we're going down, we're in a downtrend, right? I'd say price actually reacted off of here. So boom, there was some nice buying right here. Price went up, came back down, right? Created a breaker structure, right? It broke structure again. So clearly this was a nice area for people to buy from. Price came down and it bought from this level again, right? So that would be our, as we have an indicator right here, this would be our last low, right? And now what we're looking at is, you could take it either way from this. You could take it as, since it's on kind of a downtrend on the hourly, right? You would expect price to come up to here, or let's say right here. You would expect prices to come up to here and then continue selling off down and just pretty much just continuing the downtrend, right? You would expect something like that, or you would be expecting buys, right? Why would you go for a buy? Like I said, this could be a retracement. Overall, it looks bearish, but this could be bullish. I just now looking at the charts. I'm gonna just, instead of confusing myself, I gonna go ahead and just do it like this, yeah. Bow. Okay. So this was the old one. This is the new one. Big impulse. We wait for price to come here. Once price come here, boom, we in, and then we live. Okay. So let's just wait. We have about 8 minutes. We have 8 minutes until 9:30, 10:30 for me. That's why you see 10:30 up there. But down here it shows you New York time, right? So as you can see how price is moving, right? So I'm gonna go ahead on my trade locker and mark it out to, oh shit. It looks like price is just gonna do what I didn't want it to do. Yep. Yeah, I could go for the buy, but I guess we'll just take the L here because price is most definitely gonna shoot up, or it might do me a solid and Why can't I trade? I can't enter for we're gonna it's top step tweaking again. Okay, there we go. I can enter for a buy, my limit buy right here. But it looks like price came. I really want to enter for that buy. It's a really good trade. It's gonna go up. But I must stay where I'm at. If it hits my buy, we up. If it don't, we still up. We ain't lose no money. So, I'm gonna just wait. So what could have happened? I could have entered. I could have end up entering here, and then now I see how price is thing, and I would probably be shitting myself because why is price going down? So, and that's probably what happening. It's taking out liquidity. People probably entering up here saying yes, price is going up, and the market say yeah, watch this, hold my beer, and bow, probably got stopped up, became liquidity, and now you're probably revenge trading right now, and boom, 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 boom. You know how it go. Okay, price is coming. We gotta be prepared. We gotta be ready.
Order filled.
We're in. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, nope, this is gonna be quick. This look like it's gonna be a quick one. We might get stopped out pretty fast today. Yeah, maybe we should have followed the trend. I don't see where price would have reacted off of.
Order filled.
I don't see a spot where price would be reacting to go for this sell. Like, I don't see it. Yeah. But this is what we're gonna do right now, though. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna get that back real quick.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, whatever. So we only down 22. Don't do that. That was stupid. But look at this. Look at that nasty ass sell. I wish I caught it here. Oh shit! Wait. Okay, I got stopped out. Okay, we chilling.
Order filled.
Silva, what are you buying right there? Does that really follow your trading plan? Yes, actually. Now I see what's going on. So I wasn't looking at a bigger picture, right? My God. Price could even come down here, to be honest. But, so, let's look at it, right? Still could be wrong. It still could just, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to protect myself a little bit. Give myself some armor, some shield, right? No risk. We are the no
Order
risk.
filled.
Boom. Cut. Done. Cooked. I'm not following my trading plan right now. This was a last minute thing. I did some stupid things here, as y'all can see. Anyway, whatever. We didn't lose. We left with $98. I actually forgot to press record. I went for a little buy, and I was like, you know what? No, this is a mistake. Let me stop. I started an overtrade, and I just took it was like $35. Took it, got out, and I went to see if it was recording, and it wasn't. I was talking to myself the entire time, apparently. So it's whatever. But yeah, Nas. Anyway, y'all, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Who knows what we're gonna be doing? We'll just find out in 3, 2, 1.